Welcome back. With talk of an imminent environmental disaster regarding the lack of proper disposal of plastics in Jamaica, private sector entities are coming together with economic solutions to the problem. Here is TVJ's Dashan Hendricks with the latest efforts in this week's edition of the Business Review.
Choking on plastics, the race is on to find a viable solution to the problem recognized as Jamaica's biggest environmental issue. In 2014, the government started Recycling Partners of Jamaica.
Presently, do not recycle in the true sense, as bottles collected are baled and exported. I'm hoping that we'll hear some changes in, next year or two.
But the discussion is now moving forward. Private sector entities are engaged in the country's plastic waste for economic gain.
We believe in people, we believe in the planet, and we believe in making profit.
She was speaking at a recent launch of 360 Recycling and Manufacturing.
Systems are now being put in place to create brand new products from recycling. Our hope is that with all of the different players in this ecosystem coming together, that we can create one great solution for Jamaica.
360 Recycling Manufacturing is one of the few companies worldwide that successfully converts post-consumer styrofoam and other waste products into construction materials and other useful products.
The push is to change the narrative from just collecting waste to creating economic opportunities by producing functional products from plastics, which would otherwise end up in landfills or choking the oceans.
We are aware of the efforts by the government of Jamaica towards recycling and proper solid waste disposal through the formation of a multi-stakeholder working group on the regulation of plastic packaging materials, which the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation has set up.
The Wisynco Group is pushing separately for a solution, the company being the biggest juice manufacturer in the island.
While we may be the largest producer and distributor of plastics, we didn't put those bottles out there. It's 2.7 million Jamaicans who mistreat, mishandle, and misappropriate those bottles into the environment, and we must be a part of that change.
Mr. Mahfood says being part of that change includes convincing the government to continue funding the Not Dirty of Jamaica ad campaign. Finances for the program were cut in the recent budget. A plastic bottle deposit scheme is to come on stream this year, and other measures have been announced to reduce the use of the material, which has become an environmental disaster.
The fact is, Jamaica's economy is dependent on the blue economy. It is significantly tied to the fortunes of our fishermen. It is significantly tied to the fortunes of our tourist industry. So whether you see yourself as an environmentalist or not, or just an environmentally conscious person, or somebody who just doesn't like to see the nasty mess discarded all over the place, the fact is you have a significant role to play for us to protect our own future.
For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.